In this video, I'll be showing how to download and import an agent from the marketplace. This is for our local hosting users. So first, you want to go to the marketplace. For local hosters, once you click the marketplace, it'll be a pop-up. Right now, I'm showing this demo in the cloud-hosted platform, but know that the interaction will look a little bit differently if you're a local hoster. So click the agent that you want to download. When you click the agent, there'll be a download agent button. You can click that option and it'll download onto your computer. Once you go back to monitor, you can click the drop down next to create and click import from file. You can choose the file that you want to download, choose the file that you just downloaded, hit open, and import and edit. Once you click import and edit, now you should have the agent in the builder. That is how you download an agent from the marketplace and import it into your canvas.